Welcome! In this video, we'll explain how a two-way switch wiring system works, ideal for controlling a light from two different locations like staircases, hallways, or large rooms. A typical two-way switch setup uses two switches, the master and the slave. Both are standard single-pole, double-throw switches or SPDTs. The naming helps in understanding their roles in the wiring. The master switch is the one that receives power. Its common terminal is connected to the line or phase wire from the distribution board. The slave switch is installed at the second location. Its common terminal is connected to the lamp or group of lamps. Now, we introduce the traveler wires. These are two wires that link the two switches. The two traveler terminals on the master are connected to the two traveler terminals on the slave. They form two possible paths for current. The neutral wire runs directly from the distribution board to the lamp, so when the circuit is completed between the phase at the master and the lamp via the slave, the lamp turns on. Here's how it works. When both switches are in matching positions, current flows through one of the traveler paths, the circuit is complete, and the lamp turns on. Flip either switch and the positions mismatch. The circuit is broken, the lamp turns off. This setup is especially useful for stairways, corridors, and large rooms where controlling a single light from 2 points is necessary. Let's summarize. Master switch, connected to the live supply from the distribution board. Slave switch, connected to the lamps. Traveler wires provide alternate current paths between the two switches. Neutral, directly connected to the lamp. Working mechanism, the lamp toggles on or off depending on the position combination of the switches. Thanks for watching. For more electrical and tech tutorials, like, share, and subscribe.